If you guys have been following the channel and you've been keeping up with what I'm doing, then you know I've been using the Nokia Steel HR as my primary watch, my daily watch, whether it's a smart hybrid style watch or an activity tracker, whatever it is, I use it every single day. In fact, my Apple Watch hasn't seen my wrist in I don't even know how long. It's got more dust on it than your grandma's rocking chair. I'm just gonna put it like that. And it's not because Nokia is sponsoring videos for the channel by any means. It's because I'm trying to get my health under control, and I'm taking this fitness and health thing very serious. My wife and I want to have a kid very soon, and I want to be able to raise that kid, and I don't want to be obese. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm taking all this very serious. So with all that being said, I want to give you guys 3 reasons or 3 ways the Nokia Steel HR has been helping me improve my health and my workouts.
Data, I cannot make bricks without clay.
So the first way the Steel HR is helping me achieve my goals and improve my workouts is just by the data this thing collects. It collects a lot of data, and then you can go back and look at it within the HealthMate app. It gives you things like your heart rate, your distance walked, your calories burned. It even tracks your sleep cycle, which is kind of crazy because you gotta wear your watch to bed, but if you do so, then yeah, it's gonna track your sleep cycle, and it actually gives you your sleep patterns and whether or not you were like in deep sleep and all that good stuff. What are you gonna do with all that data? Well, it's for comparison purposes. That way you could take the results from the previous week, and if you feel good, you feel like you're on track for your fitness goals, then you could just keep doing what you're doing. But if you're starting to plateau or you don't feel like you're losing weight and you don't feel good about yourself anymore, you can see what you did the previous week or the week before that, see where it is you need to improve, and focus on improving in that area. And you could do this by comparing results. Having all that data laid out in front of you so that way you can compare these things is extremely useful.
Few touches, but at the end of the day, this is a game of focus.
Focus. Keeping things simple and distraction-free while you're working out is an extremely important factor when you're trying to get fit. Having all the power of a smartwatch on your wrist is really sweet. You could turn around and browse your Facebook, you can see what's popping on Instagram, you could post a tweet, then you can turn around and send a text message and order a pizza all from your wrist. And that's really, really cool. But when you're at the gym, all of that is a very big distraction. Well, unlike my Apple Watch, my Steel HR is helping me stay focused by only giving me my bare essential notifications. In other words, my text messages, phone calls, and my alarms. That's it. So obviously you gotta know me personally to be able to text or call me, and I know that if you call me 5 times in a course of 5 minutes, it's probably important. So I will stop my workout, and then I will see what it is or what's going on. If it's important enough for me to stop, then I'll stop my workout, I'll meet up with you, and we could solve the problem. But if it's not important enough, and it was just like a new phone came out, or a new show's about to be, coming on TV, or a new movie was just released, then I'm gonna go back to my workout because obviously that is not important enough for me to stop whatever it is I'm doing to improve my health. In other words, the Steel HR keeps me distraction free, and yeah, I got a little bit of ADD, so I tend to shift my attention elsewhere, and it helps me not do that. So focus.
But surely you must have some sort of training program.
Now, I don't know about you, but when it comes to exercising and developing a routine, and then that routine turns into repetition and you're doing it, 5-6 days a week, I tend to get bored of what I'm doing relatively fast, especially if I'm doing the same exact exercises with the same exact routine over and over and over again. And once I get bored, I lose interest in what I'm doing. It becomes like a chore or like a job. And obviously I'm not getting paid to work out, and I can quit, and chances are I'm gonna quit. And yeah, so to keep things new and to keep things fresh, what I like about the Steel HR is the fact that all of that data it collects and transfers over to the HealthMate app is used to enlist in different programs. And they have a list of different programs that you can sign up for free that will help you achieve your goals, develop that body that you really want, get fit, get lean. But what's even more cool is the fact that you don't have to do like exercise programs. They actually have a program for sleep. And if anybody has been working out that follows me knows that sleep is just as important as eating right and exercising. You gotta have good sleep habits, which I don't, but I'm getting better, in order to really improve your health. So with the sleep program, for instance, it's gonna track your sleep cycles, it's gonna track when you're going to bed, and then it's gonna give you different tips or tricks to improve your sleep habits. That way, over time, it will improve your overall health, help you lose weight, and perform better at the gym. And having all of that, basically a personal coach in your pocket or on your wrist is pretty sweet, and everything is free, which is definitely a major plus. Well, that's all I got. That was 3 ways that Nokia Steel HR is helping me improve my workouts and also achieve my fitness goals. And let me tell you, I got goals. I'm going on a cruise in a few months. I can't be going on the cruise looking like a whale, sitting on the side of the pool. People start shoveling buckets of water on me, pushing me back in the ocean because they're afraid I might die. That just cannot happen, people. So if you're like me and you need a little help along the way and you're in the market for a smartwatch or an activity tracker, do yourself a favor. Combine the two, check out the Steel HR, the smart hybrid watch, and see if it will help you reach the goals that you've been trying to reach, because I can't recommend this thing enough. I use this thing every day. Over my $1,000 Apple Watch edition, I choose to use this. It's kind of crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to stay up to date with my weight loss and my fitness goals, then make sure you subscribe. I will be doing another video on the Steel HR and my progress. And if you don't want to miss that, definitely subscribe. Turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon so you can be alerted when that video drops. If you have any questions on this watch or just fitness in general, make sure you leave it down below in a comment or hit me up on social, as I do respond faster on social versus the comments. But regardless of what you choose to do, I'll be there. And of course, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.